Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to create tables in Power BI. So for this, we'll go on the canvas of the Power BI. I'll request all my viewers to kindly refer my previous videos to learn all these charts. Page 1, page 2, page 3. This has already been discussed. Kindly refer my playlist. Today we are going to talk about the tables. So click on the table. Now we'll have to specify the data fills into the columns. Let's pick up the category. Let's pick up the segment. Let's pick up the sales and then the quantity. Now format your visuals. Style presence. So we can select the style from here. It's minimal, bold header, alternating rows, contrasting alternating rows, flashy rows, bold header and flashy rows, sparse, and then it is condensed. Let's activate the focus mode. Now we can also activate the grid. What's with the color of the grid? So as you can see, the lines have turned blue. The width of the line can be increased or decreased. Vertical grid lines. So here also we can select the color blue and its width can be increased. Border, do we require any borders or not? Here, let's keep this as bold header flashing rows. This is used many times. Vertical grid lines on, horizontal grid lines on, and let's make this as black and this also as black. That is much better. Borders, where do we require border? On all four sides, column header, value sections, where do we require a border? So that we can specify. Color, so the color can be selected from here, and here make it all. Can you see the change in the color? Okay, activate the options, row padding, global font size. Fine. Click on the values. Now the text color of these values can be changed. The background color can be changed. Alternating text color can be changed, and alternating background can also be changed. So depending upon your requirement, you can change the settings. Column headers, it is in black color. If I want to change this, I can also do this from here. The central alignment should be on. Options, totals. So total is in black color. This can also be changed. Moreover, the text color can also be changed. Let's make it black. And total label is written total. If I want to add anything, I can add anything and it will be displayed here. Specific color. So it's category. Now we want to change only on in the particular column like category, segment, sum of sales. So let's say segment, the text color only of segment, right? Alignment center. Now again, if I want to change for sum of sales, activate this sum of sales, text color. We'll pick up the another color here. So let's take it black only. That is much better. Background color can also be changed. Center. Display unit is in uh, thousands. It can be changed into millions and billions. Cell elements. Uh, for category, do we require any background color? If yes, then you can change it from here. This we will see later on. That is a rule-based background color. This we will see later on. Now let's activate the sum of quantity. The text color, keep it as it is. And the background color, we will change it. And let's select light background color. Center. Now we'll go in the general settings, properties. Back to the report. By changing this number, the height and the width of this table can be changed. Position. By increasing this number, the table will shift on the right hand side. This will shift on towards the bottom. Padding. This will increase the white portion in the tables on left hand side. This will increase on right hand side. This will increase in the towards the bottom and this will increase on the top. Advanced options, make sure that the maintain layer order is on. Title, if it is necessary, activate it and specify your title. Effects, background color, take it light gray. So this is on the corners, see the gray color. Visual border, black color, rounded corners necessary. So this corners will become rounded. Shadow, if it's necessary, activate it on outside bottom right. Let's take this time the bottom left. So the shadow will appear on the bottom left. Header icons. So by changing this background border and icon, filters on visuals, focus mode and more options, this will change. I already discussed about this in my previous videos, kindly refer to it. Icons, make sure that everything is on. Activate the focus mode and you can see the table is ready. So this was all about creating the tables in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link is given in the description box.